Hey guys, showing you guys how to tighten up the steering that's loose on your new scooter. The bolt is gonna be back here, so all you gotta do is pop this shoe off and then we can get to it. Go ahead and loosen this nut. After that, you got these 4 screws, one here, here, there, and there. Go ahead and take them out. After you get all the screws out, just pop this loose. Now, it's pressed in, so just grab a gem of these plastic wedges. If you don't have one, you can use a screwdriver. You just gotta be very careful. Now, the things that holds the neck down on all the scooters is just gonna be this bolt right here. And sometimes this is welded, sometimes it's just a nut in the back. And that is what you want to do. You want to tighten it up. It's either 12 or 13. And then the one in the back, if it's a nut, is usually a 14. So preferably something crazy big, breaker bolt or something like that. You want to go ahead and tighten it up. Once you get it tightened up, you think that you're tight, you can make it tighter. That's the thing that most people make a mistake on, is they got it snugged and they started vibrating and they get loose again. So just make sure you get it tight and tight, super tight. Just take your time. All right, now you got it tightened up. Just kind of wiggle it, see how tight it is. It took me with a breaker ball about 2 rotations, and then we got it super snugged up. Now all you got to do is put everything back on. One of the things you do have to be careful, make sure all of these stuff get tucked out of the way. Put this thing back on, line it up, both sides, and just give a gentle tap. Nothing too hard, and just run your finger along it, just to make sure that you got all the edges in place. And after that, scoot it back down, and there's no more vibration going down the road. Thanks for watching.